Hi, in this video, we will learn about Excel functions. What exactly the Excel functions are. So these Excel functions are inbuilt formulas created by Microsoft Excel. These starts from sum, averages, count, and will go on with different complicated formulas. To use any Excel function, we can right click here. We can click here fx, that is insert function. There different functions will come. These are the recent functions that you used, and here is different categories are available and what kind of financial formulas are here, date and time formulas, math, tax, trigonometry, statistical functions, and so on, so many things. We also can find these formulas from here. So we have recently used functions with different categories: date, time, lookup references, math, trigonometries, and others. Now let's understand how these functions work, how we can use this. To use any function, we need to start with equal sign, then we will use the name of that function. In this example, I will take sum. As soon as I write sum, all formulas that contain sum will show here. Let's suppose that you wanted to take sum if, then click here, then write parenthesis. Alternatively, you can use tab also. Like if you click tab, it will automatically take right parenthesis. Now this function shows that what kind of arguments you need to put. Here as an example, it says number 1, number 2, comma, then number 2, then number 3, and so on. So you can say this number 1, then comma, number 2. After that, you need to close the parenthesis and click OK. So it is how these Excel functions work. You can also, when you will use this function like average, it gives you a box like this. It is very useful option for a learner. So in this, it gives me option number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. It also gives us what exactly this function is, what these different tabs, different boxes are. Number 1, these meanings, it says 1 to 25 numeric arguments for which you want the average. It also shows the result here. You can take help also by clicking here, and then after putting all arguments, click OK. So it will change your value like this.